In this video, let me show you how to enable the screen clean mode in Tesla vehicles. Let's begin. So, at the very beginning, your device needs to be in parking mode. So let's just tap here to be sure that your device is in park mode. Then let's use this button, the car icon in the left down corner. From the following list, you need to find and select display. So let me just tap it right here, the display. Alright, and from the following list you can choose the screen mode. As you can see, screen clean mode is right here, but before we activate it, let me show you and explain what is it. The screen clean mode is dedicated settings in Tesla vehicles that allows you to wipe down your touchscreen without accidentally triggering buttons, changing settings or calling someone. So in my opinion, it's especially useful, for example, when you would like to clean your display and you want to be sure that you don't use, for example, this button, the SOS button. So if you would like to just wipe your screen, let's just tap here, screen clean mode. As you can see, now you can read the instructions from Tesla. Clean the touchscreen with a soft cloth designed for monitors and display. Do not use cleaners, wet wipers or dry, statically charged materials. In my case, let me use just the microfiber right here. Let me do it quickly and softly. Let's clean the display. And as you can see, there is nothing on the screen, so you can just wipe it as you want it. And that's it. If you would like to exit the screen cleaning mode, let's just hold here. You need to hold this button for about 5 seconds. And that's it. Your device is go back to a normal mode. You can use it. The screen clean mode is available in all Tesla models. So if you have the screen which looks like this, you can just use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.